I would be okay with concrete creating a barrier around the home if I knew for a fact what the compaction was and how the lot was prepped and what distance away from the home. Because what we're going to see a lot is compaction and the way lots are prepped for building. With some folks are going to do only the exact footprint. Some folks are going to come out 6 inches or 12 inches, and you'd be surprised that corners are cut as soon as you pass that foundation. To be honest with you, there's not a lot of testing when I pass it, even a couple inches. So if I knew that that dirt was compacted the right way and you wanted to put a border of concrete around, I'd feel good about it. What the most important is going to be how it's sealed, what product. I would recommend not using redwood for joints and things like that. It needs to be a poly product, and it needs to be managed. Why I'm concerned about the compaction is typically it's not the same as the underneath the main home. So those end up settling at a different rate than the home. So they end up pulling apart, and that's where the way you sealed it matters. As soon as water starts intruding in an area like that, you're in trouble because we can't really maintain it or maintenance it like we need to. Yeah. So, there's a few factors that go into that. I'm not a real big fan of it. If the lot was prepped properly and all the way a foot or two away from it, we could really be confident in our compaction, then I don't see it being a problem, honestly. Yeah. But it's usually the joints, the expansion areas that end up being trouble, to be honest. Yeah. It trickles down, and then the maintenance is, basically demoing out the concrete if you don't keep an eye on it. If it gets too bad, that concrete's coming out.